Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State toppers for NEET and JEE Main 2024, both produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12 and repeaters medical batch for NEET 2025. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Porvorim.
Again, the matter was listed today before the division bench. We had requested the court that the same can be disposed of in terms of the earlier judgment in the matter of Girish Chodankar only, which led to the last assembly issue when the same defection had taken place. Yesterday also we had requested the court that the matter can be disposed of in terms of that judgment so that we can go to the Supreme Court because already the matter is pending before the Supreme Court. Similar request we made it today. The court was pleased to dispose of the petition in terms of the earlier judgment, and accordingly the petition has been disposed of.
So can we say that High Court has upheld the order of the Speaker and has disposed of the petition?
Yes, the Honorable High Court has upheld the order in terms of the earlier judgment, which is binding on the division bench, and that is why we had made the request saying that you dispose of the petition in terms of the earlier judgment. That is what has been done.